So in this video, I'll show you how the Top Learners Report works and how to use it to analyze learner performance. This report helps track learning outcomes, identify the most successful learners, and find those who might need additional support. To open the report, go to the Statistics section and select Top Learners. In this report, there are two main metrics for analysis: average quiz score and average quiz attempts. You can switch between these metrics using the corresponding tabs. Average quiz score. This section shows the average percentage score a learner receives across all completed quizzes. This score is displayed as a percentage. The higher the score, the better the performance. There are two view modes. Top Learners shows learners with the highest results, and Pay Attention shows learners who might need extra support. At the top of the report, you can see top 3 learners with the highest scores. You can also have a visual chart showing grade distribution, as well as the separate chart for the top 10 learners. Grades are divided as follows. Below, there is a full learner table containing full name and email, average quiz score for the previous period, average quiz score for the current period, change in the percentage, teams, and registration date. This table is automatically sorted from highest to lowest results. You can also search for a learner or export results in Excel format or CSV format. The second metric, average quiz attempts, shows the average number of attempts a learner uses to complete quizzes. This is a numerical value. The lower the number, the better the performance, as the learner completes tests in fewer attempts. Two view modes are also available: Top Learners and Pay Attention. At the top of the report, you can see top 3 learners with the best results, as well as the chart for the top 10 learners. Levels are divided as follows. Below, there is a full learning table also containing name and email, average attempts for previous and current periods, change in attempts, teams, registration date. The table can also be searched and exported. Each report can be filtered by different parameters. Available filters include completion date, sign-up date, team, and course. By default, the filter is set to completion date last 14 days. To change parameters, just click on the filter icon, add the desired filter, and click Show. Using the Top Learners report, you can quickly evaluate learner performance, identify the strongest learners, and find learners who need extra attention. I hope that helped, and good luck with your academy.